and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to get the AI filter on TikTok. But first, if you are using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on to the video. First thing that we need to do is to simply launch or open up our TikTok on our device. And then after that, on the search bar, or just tap on the search icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and then just type in AI health detector filter. Just load it in. And then after that, just click on the video that will pop up on your screen and the video that will pop up on your screen that uses the AI that you want to use. And then after that, on the bottom left part of the screen, you'll see this AI style. And just click on it and this will pop up on your screen. And if you want to use that filter, just click on the red icon on the bottom that says use this effect. But if you just want to add it or to save it for a future use, just click on the add to favorites on the upper part of the screen. So that is how you get the AA filter on TikTok. So if you learned something on this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.